Hi everyone, probably you have heard about Reddit. Okay, so Reddit is a social media platform. Let me show you. So usually there's a lot of videos on if you want to investigate about a person because there's a lot of things which is going on Reddit, right? If you are going to actively work on Reddit, if you're an active user, then you might face some sort of illegal activities which is going on Reddit, right? There's a lot of law enforcement agencies, enforcement people's officers, those who want to investigate the any person, those who are on Reddit are posting something malicious. So how to investigate that specific thing? Because nowhere you can find how to investigate a Reddit person, right? Those who are a Reddit user, you can call it as a Reddit user. So how to investigate him? So it's very simple. Okay, I'll tell you about the tool. So in by that tool you will get a basic information because like as a law enforcement officer you can directly write to Reddit law legal team, right? You will get plenty of information. But in short, if you want a instant information, what are the basic things you can do, right? If you want some basic information, so for that I'll show you a website. Website is vapor.telva.ee. So here you can unlock the digital footprint of a Reddit user, right? So I'll not enter any random Reddit username. Okay, I'll just keep this tool to explore the random account. Okay, so I'll click on analyze random users, right? So it will just take any random user from Reddit and will show you some sort of result. So we are not getting any result. So this is very basic information you get. Like his hobby is gaming. Username is BATT103. Enemy, science fiction, television, the interest, and brand is Nike, Apple, Paydays, the private brand in which he is interested, right? Personality is neutral. Let's analyze any other user. So here you can see hobby swing, cosplay, and gardening. Location is Utah, which is in US. He is in a relationship, right? And income is not mentioned. There are a couple of interests. This is brand in which he is mentioned. And personalities, he is a very positive person. Let's check another two. K-pop, Linux coding, must be a tech guy. Promote country is GB. Okay, K-pop, hacking, tattoo. So he is the, I guess, the frustrated person, but positive attitude. Okay, again, cycling, gaming, building PCs. So he's a tech person. Here you can see tech, DNB, Apple, Dell, MSI, Amazon, and Corsair. No privacy, no data, and this is a neutral person. So by using this tool, you can analyze a lot of information about a specific user. So this tool is randomly taking some sort of users, those who are not much available, so that they will not get some legal consequence. But if you enter any username, you might get some good information, right? Information might be the age, sex, what are the hobbies they have, from where they belong, country name, occupation, relationship, like what he's married or not, how much income he's getting, medium, high, low, interest in what is the interest they have, brand mention. Okay, privacy information is there or something, life stage which is pre-retired, and personality is neutral. So sometimes this is going to help you a lot. So just check this tool. Let me know in the comment box how you feel like. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind. By the way, use this one command so you will get some output on your terminal by using this kind of format so that you can create your free tools. Thank you very much. Have a great day.